Okay, in today's video I'm gonna do a pressure test, and as you can see it has a starting issue. It looks like a bad pressure. See, it had a delay, and sometimes when you turn it off and then turn it back on, it does not start like after like 15 minutes, and it would start on the second starting. Okay, we are gonna remove the engine cover.
That would have been that easy. Simple as that.
That's how you
Just hold it with one piece. Right.
See? That's been like 5 minutes or less. And then it starts. So what we're gonna do is a fuel pressure test. This is where you connect the hose with the gauge, and we gotta remove the steam well using this kind of tool, just like the one on tires or wheels.
You're supposed to get tons of fuel right now coming off of it. The fuel's supposed to spray. Not too noisy.
It looks like the pump, the pump valve is bad. So we're gonna check the fuel pressure. Okay, here's the well. Just removed. And now we're gonna put this gauge back on.
Yeah, because it snaps for some reason.
Doesn't
Snap
work.
from that vehicle, I guess. Not for that vehicle. We'll test it. Okay. Okay. See what happens? The pressure drops back down again. And down to 0.
Pressure is falling?
Down to 0.
But
Bad check
right.
valve.
Yeah.
It's supposed to hold the pressure. That's it. Bad.
Wanna crank again?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're gonna crank it up again. When it's running, it's holding the pressure, but when you shut it off, the pressure falls. But it shouldn't be doing that. It should continue to hold the pressure. But it's dropping.
Did it drop the pressure again?
Yep, it's falling.
Back to 0. See, that's the issue.
So we gotta replace the
Fuel
check
pump.
valve, but the check valve is right on the fuel pump, so it comes together, and we will replace the fuel pump and see if that helps. There are 2 bolts that hold the tank.
Там, наверное, гайка сверху. А что?
Точно сломал.
А что?
Питтсбург.
And don't forget to remove the hoses.
А что маленький возьми? Большой. Зачем? Маленький хватит.
We use 2 straps to bring this fuel tank down, and that's how we connect it. the woods. There will be one connector here, one hose here, that connects here, and there's another one right there. So you would have to, pull it off. And I'm gonna show you how to pull it off. Right now I'm draining the gasoline from the tank. Trying to get the connector. Okay, so the connector, to remove the connector, simply put a screwdriver or something to make this go up. Just push in like from one side and then from the other side, and this should come off like this, and then just pull the hose out. So there's another connector, like I said. It's hard to see. It's right there, and yeah, that's the connector. So, okay, we took out the fuel tank, as you can see. That's where connectors are, and that's the fuel pump. It's very rusty. We got a new one. Here's the new one that we got. I'm gonna use this. Brakes loose. It's like oil-based thing. Looks like it's gonna break over here. So you turn this like that, and then take it off. Okay, so there was two connectors. One, so you just press these and pull it off, and this one. So bump. So we cut those off. It was easier like that. With these big pliers or bolt cutters. Here's a new one.
Not sure.
So we put this one in. Hopefully it's right.
Yeah, it is. That's how it's supposed
Put
to.
the seal in right underneath.
We're not sure where to place these two rods in.
We'll figure it out. Make sure you clean everything on the outside and the inside. There's some dirt on the inside. And that's how we installed the new one. Look at this. It comes out.
sounds easier than I thought.
Then we're gonna connect the hoses.
Wait.
This is over there.
Hold on. Gotta pull the hoses out. This is gonna be a fun part.
Connect those here.
It's kind of
Let me
hard to
hold
get
it.
in there.
It came off.
What came off?
This came off again.
Yeah, put it back in there.
There you go. Hopefully it doesn't fall off.
Hopefully.
Oh, it came off again.
It did come off again. That's good.
Realign.
Oops.
Okay, we removed the old one.
From the
Yeah.
previous pump.
Yeah, the previous one. And gonna put this one on there.
Just like
Okay,
so.
it clicked.
Click there. And we're gonna click this one back on. Hopefully that'll be right. And it goes right. It's supposed to click both ways. Make sure you pull it back and it doesn't slide off. And it doesn't in this
Big
case.
one.
So we're good. Now we need to find the spring. Oh, there's a second one.
Okay.
Don't forget to install the seal that goes around it.
Yeah. We'll put
The rubber seal.
And this has to go right in here. This wheel back on.
The tightening knot.
Hold the knot.
Dude, it's not gonna be easy job. Tightening this knot on.
Make sure you install the nut right.
Put this edge up.
Yep.
Then slice.
So we could not put it on because it was flipped around. So we flipped it and now we gotta turn it to lock it.
Is that it?
I think so.
Have you recorded previously?
No. This has to lock here.
Maybe we should
Right in the
lubricate it.
middle.
Let's lubricate it. With the grease.
With this.
No, grease.
We are gonna lubricate the
Since we don't have a
The
special
nut,
range that we are supposed to have, it's gotta be big. Some kind of range.
Oh,
Oops.
you gotta. Oh, what are you
No.
lubricating? Both sides.
No, just on one side. On the bottom.
Yeah.
The top a little.
Some of the top.
Should be enough.
Make sure you use aluminum bar or something else, but not metal, so you don't make a spark. Okay, finally we were pushing on this and knocking, and finally it locked in place. So I'm gonna just clean this off and paint it so it doesn't rust. We'll put the hoses back on and
Make sure you paint
paint
to prevent the rust
whole thing.
over the years. Yep.
We just started the vehicle, it worked fine.
You have good clips, so we can
We
move it
look at
straight.
the
Look at this.
pressure.
Look at the
and
pressure.
bolts.
We just replaced the pump. Remember, guys, always it's supposed to keep the pressure. The system must be under pressure, always. When the engine not running, there must be pressure.
Let me just go ahead and start it now.
Yeah, you can go ahead and start it. No problem. We'll start right up.
So that's how you replace a fuel pump and check fuel pressure.